Hello. So here we are having a question. So let's do it. So they are saying if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial px, ax² plus bx plus c, then we have to evaluate the value of this 1 upon a alpha plus beta plus 1 upon a beta plus b. So let's do it. So we know that the value of ABC is actually the ABC because the polynomial is exactly a standard form. So ax² plus bx plus c. You remember that a is nothing but the coefficient of x square, b is actually the coefficient of x, and c is actually the constant term. So what is the value of ABC? It's actually the ABC, so we don't need to do anything here. So we know there are formulas of alpha plus beta, which is actually minus b upon a, and the formula for alpha into beta is c upon a. So right now what we have to do, we have to find out the value of this thing, 1 upon a alpha plus b plus 1 upon a beta plus b. So what should we do right now? Let's take the LCM. A alpha plus b, a beta plus b. So that's it. You know how to do that. That's not a big deal, right? So as you can see, what we can do, we can combine this one and this one. So if I take these two, you can see it can be written like this. Oh, let me check it out. It is alpha beta plus, sorry, that's not alpha beta. It's actually a beta plus a alpha. And this is b plus b, nothing but 2b, right? And in the denominator, we have to multiply a alpha with a beta plus b brackets a beta plus b. Okay? Let's move to the next one. So, you know, there is something which is coming out to be common. So it is, if I take a common, it will be beta plus alpha, and this is 2b. In the denominator, I'm going to multiply. So it is coming out to be a square alpha beta, then ab alpha plus ab beta plus b square, right? So let's move to the next part. Oh, let me make it right. So in the numerator part, a will be as it is. I'm going to write it properly, alpha plus beta plus 2b. In the denominator, you can see that alpha square alpha beta as it is, plus in these two parts, you can see something coming out to be common, and it is actually AB. So it is coming out to be alpha plus beta, and this is beta, b square, not beta square. I know this is a little bit confusing, but we have to bear with it. A, what is alpha plus beta? We know that alpha plus beta is actually minus b upon a. 2b will be as it is. What is a square? A square is actually a square. What is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is actually having a value of c upon a, okay? Plus ab will be as it is. Alpha plus beta is having a value of minus b upon a plus beta square, right? So if you can see that a will be cancelled out with this a. In the numerator, this is minus b plus 2b. You can see 1a will be cancelled out with this a square. You can also see that a will be cancelled out with this one. So this is coming out to be ac minus b square plus b square. B square minus b square will be cancelled out. In the numerator, once again, this is b upon ac. So this is actually the final answer. So we can say the answer of this thing is actually b upon ac. So I hope you got it. Thank you very much.